What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome. And I am bringing you another press-on nail video. As you can see, these are a little bit glam. So I've been having these stickers for a while now. I actually got these from Shein, and I wanted to do this set for Chinese New Year's, but it kind of left my head. So I still wanted to post it up because I really love how these came out. I'm not gonna talk too much, so the usual, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up by hitting that like button. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button that is right under the video, and the notification bell right next to it so you can be notified anytime I post. And of course, share. All right, guys, let's get started. I'll be using my Kiara Sky long coffin jelly tip nails, and I'm also going to be putting my Valentino Beauty Pure base coat. For my base, I'm going in with my Model 1's favorite nude color, and that is 0803. So I'm going to be doing 2 coats of this color. I was only going to do 1 to make it look a little sheer, but I ended up just going with 2 because I felt like it would look better. Now that the 2 coats are done, I'm going to be moving on with one of my red liner brushes. Everything that I used will be linked down below. Sorry, guys. And as you can see, I did not record this, but I started off with the thumbs, and after that I moved on with the middle finger. And I wasn't sure what to do with this set, so it was a little all over the place. But yeah, so here I'm just showing you guys the rest of the stickers that came with those. And I'm going to be going in with my rhinestone glue from McGart. And of course, as you guys know, I love to put on some little rhinestones or gems, whatever you guys call them. I felt like it was really plain, so that's why I added the rhinestones. I'm going to be going back in with that red liner brush, and I'm going to go ahead and do a thin French line. The reason why I did this is because if I did a thick one, I felt like it was gonna look funny, and so I decided to go with the thinner French. And here I'm just adding on some rhinestones. I believe I purchased these on Amazon, but like I said, everything that I used will be linked down below. So I have a question for everybody, and please feel free to reply to me in the comments down below because it's honestly stressing me out. But I used to love this rhinestone glue, and for some reason now I feel like my charms or my rhinestones literally just pop off. So I wanted to know, has that happened to anybody else where at first the glue was amazing and now it's not doing its best? I was also thinking that maybe it's not the glue's fault, that maybe I'm putting too much glue, but I don't know. If anybody has gone through this, please let me know, and please feel free to recommend me some other glues. I would love to try some new ones. Okay, y'all, so this is how it looks so far. So just giving you a little close-up. I was so proud of these nails. I feel like these were the bombest nails I've ever done. But anyway, so moving on to the index finger. So for the index finger, I'm going to be using that red liner brush again. And I didn't know what to do with the index finger, honestly. So this just was something random that I came up with. But the reason why I did this was because I wanted to try out this Born Pretty reflective glitter. So this is a red one, and I haven't used it, so I wanted to see how it looked. I was gonna leave it with just the nude, but I figured with the red base it will pop out more, which it definitely did. Last but not least, we have the pinky, and the pinky was also another random design. So I went ahead and took one of the stickers, put it in the middle, and put some rhinestones on it. I didn't want to do too much because I felt like already with the index finger gems and I believe the middle finger, it was already too much. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is the ending. This is how it came out. Like I said, I was so proud of these nails. I felt like they were so bomb. I can't wait to rock them. And just to let you guys know, I will be linking down my nail Instagram. If anybody is interested in custom press-on nails, you guys can hit me up. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button under this video and hit the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I post. And of course, share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.